the new baby that was just born. Negative 20 something wind chill right now. He's gonna be cold.
I'm gonna have to get him warmed up, turn the heater on high.
We have a hot bath ready for him inside, and we're gonna go get him warmed up, and hopefully he can stay alive. Whew.
Definitely the dirtiest the bathtub's ever been.
Yeah.
We'll get some milk in him in just a little bit. He'll have a fighting chance.
Well,
But 20 below degree temperatures wasn't very good on him.
nope.
His mama at least had sense enough to lay there beside him, give him a little windbreak. Roughly 5 hours after giving him a bath to warm him up, giving him a half a bottle, he'll now stand up, taking another part of the bottle, and tomorrow morning we'll put him back with his mama. Make sure he's going to nurse on her.